What's the meaning of cross-promotion? Cross-promotion. Cross-promotion.
Cross-promotion. Cross-promotion. Cross-promotion is a marketing strategy where two or more businesses promote each other's products or services to their respective audiences. The aim is for each business to leverage the other's customer base and increase exposure to new customers and markets. By partnering with complementary businesses, companies can tap into new demographics and create mutually beneficial relationships. The result of cross-promotion is increased brand awareness and customer acquisition at a lower cost compared to traditional advertising methods, leading to potential long-term growth and profitability for all parties involved.